Jai Gurudev, my name is Saurav, and today in this video, I'm gonna tell a little story about myself and just gonna share with you that all the things that I've done, and I feel like I shouldn't done that, and there was something problem with myself, with some of the thoughts that I'm having at the time, and I just need to work upon these things and just gonna focus improving those particular things, and just let's just dive into those videos and just tell it. So, it's the story. It's like in 2017, yeah, it was like my board exam and I was very tense. And just give you I'm just gonna give you run through a brief background that whatever I was just facing and whatever the problem was. So I was a very mediocre type of student, and I was not studying. It's like a engineering classic boy who is just not gonna study at all in your 11 or 12. I didn't study at all. I just can't bet you not even one single hour, 1 hour in your day. I have just sit there and just study. Not. I don't wanna study. That's the thinking I was having at that time. So naturally, I was very poor at studies, and every time any problem or any exam comes, that was like a headache on my burden, and I was just that what the hell, how the hell I can just get rid of out of it. Just like I was ready for doing anything. I was just copying other people, I was just borrowing something, I was just taking help with the books or copying just any place. So, and from this time, a little a severe bad habit has happened or just formed in my myself, is that I was just very scared to do maths. I was just very scared just to solve maths and do all kind of problems, and that's a really great disadvantage that you can have whenever you're just trying and you are just willing to take on an engineering career. That's the worst reason that you can take, just not to solve any problems. It's not like you are just not doing, but sometimes you feel like you are just sitting there with a couple of three or four bunch of people. You are just sitting, but you will feel like your mind is not working. Your mind is not working at all upon math. I don't know why, but that was something, and that was a severe problem in my childhood, in my 11th and 12th. I feel like, yes, if someone told me the formula, I can do this. But when it comes to just solving those problems, there is some amount of difficulty. If someone shows me a problem, I can just memorize it, and just there's some same type of problems I can solve. Yeah, but when it comes to coming a different type of question in the same logic, I'll just gonna be a mess. I will just try everything, but then also something will not happen, and I feel like frustrated as hell because what the problem that I was having, I was not able to solve those questions. What the problem I was having, I am not finding, because the guy around me, he's just solving all those questions with ease. But what the problem that my mind is happening, that I'm just not. Later did I know that I was just feeling myself, and I was just in a mindset where I was just feeling like, oh, some problem is not solving. So I was just not solving anything in my home. I was just thinking, oh, it's not solving. Just let me just take a peek on the student right next to me, and just take the copy and just see that what the problem and what the formula is, and then just do it. And that's the thinking and that's the mindset that I was just forming at this time, and which was very much negotiable, and it was very severely poor thinking that I was having. And right now, after 4 years of passing all those things, all those years, right now I can feel and I can realize that what the impact that has led me into myself. Right now I can feel whenever I am just trying to solve any question in my thinking, the same pattern just reveals. Now I just take got rid of those people, because whenever this competition comes, I just feel like I'm not having the edge. So right now I'm just taking a step backward and just trying everything with myself and try to see that, yes, these are the areas I just need to work on, these are the areas where I should focus on, and then just let's just improve upon those things. And those are the same things that I'm doing right now. And sometimes I quit, sometimes I fail, someday it's just 4 hours, someday it's just 1 hour, someday it's not study, because the distraction part in my life is very much severe. And to say you frankly, whenever something comes, it feels like it was very exciting. I was just gonna get on that and just leave everything behind, because there was a mission in my life I was having and I am still having, and there is a mission is just to get a job. But then also some problem will come, something exciting will come, I'll just gonna leave all those things and just gonna get behind all these things, and that's play me a very bad role. And right now I have just come to a realization that, yes, at those times those are the things that I have done that I could have been doing differently. Yes, maybe you can just take advantage, or you can just play with those things, but then also just take yourself a time and just to tell yourself, okay, you have played with those things, you have just experimented with those things, but now is the time, it's time to just get back on your doing thing. But that's not the same. The first problem I was having difficulty in problem solving. I was just not gonna do any problem. I'll just see one problem and just see in my mind, okay, I have just seen those three problems and let me just try this on the exam hall. Because in my house I will just not gonna say do anything, because I was probably feeling like it's very wasted to, it's very bad to just waste any page and doing some maths. That's the feeling or thinking I was having. In my math question paper I would just try and solve all those things like sine inverse x equal to 1 by root over 1 minus x squared 1 tan inverse, everything, integration sin x, there is a mx formula, whatever is happening. But the gist of all everything, I was like a memorizing guy, just not gonna try and understand. Yes, oh, that's the problem, there is the thing, that's the problem. Then just keep your mind calm, compose, and just see the problem. There is nothing that you cannot solve. You have the ability. Just believe in yourself. On those times, there was no one just to tell you, yes, if you just believe in yourself, you can just help us those people around you. You can just surpass those things. There are enough advantage, enough example of like people like you who are just not at all great at your studies, but then also they have tried and they have tried their best, and they are just right now in a very spectacular place. It's not like if you're born with the general attitude, you're not having general math solving ability, that you will not gonna be better. It's not something like that. If you just try enough, you are just getting better out of the competition. Anywhere in your life you have just thought about that if you're just gonna solve all those puzzles in your life? Never. You have just practiced all those things, you're just looking upon all those things, and yeah, sometimes you just feel like you are not doing all this. But then also you are just putting those pressure in your mind. That's the thing I see myself doing, and I'm very happy about. So let's just get back to my story. I was that kind of a guy who was just not good at problem solving, who was just taking the enjoyment in his life during this board exams. There's just think that how dangerous those things are just to do. But then also I was just not having any fear, because there is not any fear that has just ingrained in, because until 12, until 10th I was just surrounded my study. There is nothing I can do, there is nothing, I have to study no matter what happened, if you like it or not. There was a certain boundary, certain constraint that I was having. But then I just got free, and there was no one to tell me that what I should do or not. And generally, what you can see, the easiest path I've just chosen, that just to not do anything and just get down in the excitement part and just do it this. And yeah, if I would have known those things at right now, that what I have known, I would have just make ounce and ounce of improvement. I was just knowing after, yeah. But it's something, it should happen, you should just fail, like where you have just failed and where are the areas that you have just make mistakes. Yeah, sometimes someone's life is just very smooth. You will feel like they are just not having any problem. I was having any client in my college, in my school also, that just from my 10th they have just decided they were just gonna take the engineering or BSc, and 10th they have to take the coachings. And at that time I was just feeling also jealous about those things, because I was having some poverty difficult problems, and they're just taking tuitions of thousands of rupees, and I was just not having that much amount of money. And I, in my mind, has just said this thing and make this thing so much bigger that it just surpassed me, and there is nothing that I was doing right. It just surprised me so much that there is nothing beyond that I was not doing very well. And not just that, there was also problem of thinking, problem of sitting down. I was so much distracted kid, so much, because many times I was just homebounded, and I don't feel like I was not very feeling happy about all this, because who just wanna be in your home, just be there, watch TV? No, a boy don't wanna do that. I wanna just rush through it. I wanna just experience the thrill of my life. But somehow it has not just been possible for me just to take the thrill out of my life. So I was from inside was very excited, so much excited that if anytime I just get free, I would just run away and just conquer the world. That's the type of thinking I was having. But there was any one bad habit I was having, that was porn. But to be frank, I'm just really great about porn, because if that time porn was not with me, there was so much depression that I had incurred, because so much thinking, so much anxiety, and there was one thing that was just keeping me alive, that was porn. I was just watching those things, just masturbating and just relieving all this pressure. And you will not know. When you are not having anyone around you, you are not having any people around you, how it feels. How it feels just to be alone, move alone, and not knowing what to do. Because in your life, in your time, at that time I was having 24/7. There was nothing, no study. I was just playing games, studying, not studying, just going to college and just gossiping and then just saying, stalking girls. That's the all the things generally the student do. That's the thing I was doing. And I had that time, man, the food that was really great. I was just eating so much, and throughout my 12 I was just eating more than a very much amount of time. Sorry, the tuition fees that I was got, most of the money would just spent out of this thing, not just in my sad's pocket, but it's just in my tummy. This is the thing that I was doing with my friends. But there's the another excitement level because no fuck. So excitement level was so high, just adrenaline was pumping in my mind. I was just want to just set free. Study was not for my thing. Study was not for my thing. ओह, ये सब रिकॉर्ड नहीं हुआ। बैंचर मैं बोल रहा था कि ओके, सॉरी फॉर स्वेयर लैंग्वेज, बट बैंचर मैं बोल रहा हूँ कि आपने 15 साल तक पढ़ाई नहीं की, आज आप आए, आपने बता दिया कि आपको 12 आवर्स पढ़नी है, कि आपको गॉड लगता है जो आपकी थिंकिंग जो चेंज हुई है कि ओके एक दिन में एक यहाँ से यहाँ आ जाएगा एंड दे विल जस्ट गोना फॉल इन यस मैन जस्ट वॉक ऑफ जस्ट think right in the nigga fucking beach. Don't those things, that's where I'm just gonna be very angry about you, those things. And whatever I'm just saying, and there are people and they're very good. Oh, and sure तो बहुत अच्छी है, बहुत ज़्यादा पढ़ती है, बहुत ज़्यादा नंबर लाती है. अरे बहन चो तेरे लाइफ में रखो, तेरे लाइफ में तो देख भैया, तेरा लाइफ में तो देख भैया, आपके पास भी बहुत सारे प्रॉब्लम थे इसकी लाइफ में कि बहन चो आप सारे दिन पढ़ लो, देर पर सब कुछ ठीक है. अरे अब खाना भी आ रही है, देर फूड विल जस्ट गोना ब्रिंग टू योर सेल्फ, खाना भी आएगा आपको, पानी भी आएगा आपको, स्टडी मटेरियल भी आएगा. आप नहीं कर रहे हो कि जो प्रिविलेज्ड है वही सिर्फ पढ़ता है, जो अंडर प्रिविलेज्ड है वो भी सिर्फ पढ़ता है. बट बहन जो देखो ना आपकी थिंकिंग, देयर इज नो वन हु जस्ट देयर टू टीच यू दैट ओके व्हाट एवर हैपेंस जस्ट बी. अरे माइंड सेट ही तो बहुत ज़्यादा वीक था ना, वहाँ पर ही तो मार खा गया आप. माइंड सेट यू नो टू हैव द स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट माइंड सेट, but there was no one to learn you that whatever you learn still you just feel like you're just doing shit, you don't know what to gain out of it. आपको लेना क्या है भैया, तुझे लेना क्या है वो भी तो तेरे नहीं जानता, तो कटाता है आपके भैया. यू आर जस्ट फकिंग योर सेल्फ, यू आर जस्ट मेकिंग योर सेल्फ फुल. क्यों कटा रहा है भैया, मत कटा. जस्ट कर लेता है कुछ भी, उसने बोला बहन चो कर लेते, वो में मदर चौथ है, आपको भी आना है वहाँ पर. बहन चो वो तो बोलेगा ही, उसको तो कंपनी चाहिए, आप भी दे दोगे. आपके पास टाइम ही टाइम है ना, टाइम के तो आप खजाना लेके बैठे हो ना बहन चो. आपको नहीं करना, आपको नहीं करना. स्टडी करना है हार्ड, study with the soul. In your study, it's your life, make it large. Just blended paper, I'm just taking borrowing those things, but that's okay. पढ़ना है तुझे, तुझे तेरा काम करना है, उसको बहन से घाट में जाए जहाँ पर है, मैं लाइफ में सेट हो जाऊँ उसके बाद आपके पास आऊँगा. पर अभी मुझे बख्श दो, मुझे नहीं आना. मुझे जो 2 आवर्स मिलते हैं उसमें आप खुश रहो. अगर नहीं रहना, आपको कोई किसी के साथ गांड मरवा नहीं है, तो यू कैन जस्ट फक ऑफ, बिकॉज देयर इज नथिंग. इट्स माई लाइफ, आई हैव जस्ट बिन देयर for like 20 years, and for like 4-5 years if I just gonna be there, that's also it's not gonna give you any bad thing. बेंच रह जाएगा, कुछ नहीं प्रॉब्लम होगा. जस्ट स्टडी ऑन योर सेल्फ हार्ड एंड लगा रहे, and there is nothing that just not gonna work with you. Just everything will just gonna fall in place out of those sheer moments, and you just are not gonna see these things, and otherwise just fail. Okay, ऐसा हुआ था, ऐसा भी हुआ था. कुछ भी बोल रहा है, बोलते रहे, बोलते रहे, बोलता रहे. जस्ट स्पीक एनीथिंग फॉर एवरी डे. जस्ट वैन शुड एक तो वीडियो बनाना ही है. आपके सारे थिंकिंग और थिंकिंग को यहाँ से नहीं यहाँ पर लाऊंगा. एंड मुझे मेरा इंग्लिश तो ठीक करना ही है, सो आई नीड टू इम्प्रूव अपॉन माई इंग्लिश. एंड एवरी डे आई एम जस्ट टेकिंग अ टाइम एंड मेकिंग दिस डेलीवर्ड. हेलो एग्जाम्पल, हेलो जेंटलमैन, माई नेम इज Saurav, and I'm just gonna take you with the course and with you just things, and it's really exciting just to make you feel like आपको तो मुझे जाना ही है, और आज मैं वहाँ पर नहीं होता, is there been there, then what would have been happening, you have to think. And today my fellow workers just need to know how many times I have to tell, and how many times do I have to tell you that it's not something that you are not working very hard. How many times you have to work on these things, and they are just making yourself feeling proud, and they are just those things. Just leave those things, just work on those things, and just make yourself bigger than yourself just you are right now. आप कुछ भी हो, in today's part you are just a very average guy who are just not studying. Their mindset is very poor, but today You just changed. You're just putting the deliberate practice. Yeah, sometimes you fail. You don't study for 8 hours. You just don't study for like 12 hours. Sometimes it's 2 hours. Something no study. But then also just sitting here self, looking at the book, just trying to solve those questions. That's the more than enough sufficient just to do this for 6 months. Also, then just leave me counsel. You were just like for imagine yourself 1 year before. Was you like that? Was you like that? You haven't studied anything, but then also the girl came. He मेरा गर्ल ने मुझे सपोर्ट तो बहुत किया है, पर समटाइम मेरा टाइम भी खाती है। ये तो वह सच्चाई है। हर किसी का गर्ल तो बोलेगा ही। अगर कुछ दिन समडे शी विल फाइंड दिस एंड अगर वो निकल लेगा मेरे घर में भरवाऊंगी। ओके, लीव दोस थिंग्स, लेट मी सी। Someday I know that if someone just sees my videos, then also they'll just gonna tell me whatever fuck you are just uploading, but that's it. I'm just uploading for myself, and I feel like I should just see, I should tell everything, because I don't like those things. I don't like noise, and मुझे तो अच्छा ही करना है, मुझे तो study करना है. Sometimes they feel like overthinking will make you sad, make you mad, and okay, that's okay. Leave it. The thinking in these videos, I was just saying, let's just move on to the main part, that in my 12th I was just very shy kid, depressed. There was no study that I was doing, there was no time that I was putting in my study. Then the test came. The test result, as expected, 240, 250, 260 out of 500, like 50%. I was just scoring great. Then after 5 to no 5, like 2 3 months before my HS higher boards. So I was very depressed. My mom was not in my home. I was alone. I was having a small phone, small where you can watch videos. So I was so much depressed that I was watching. Still remember I was watching how people are burned. How I was watching how accident happens. Those things I was watching. Yes, it's like